Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to decorate my puja thali from traditional apple design. So for that I have taken a thali which I have painted with red color and I have put white lines on all the sides of this thali which we call Vasudhar in Kumaoni language. In this, vertical lines are made in odd numbers like 5, 7, 9 and 11. Now I am going to start with my design, for which I have made a circle in the center with the help of a bowl, and now I will make another circle around this small one with the help of plate. After making these circles, I am going to paint them with white color. First I am starting with the small circle and erasing the chalk which I have used earlier. I have made this circle a little bit thicker so that it can be highlighted. Now I will make a star in the middle of this small circle with yellow paint. My star is completed now, so I am making swastik design in the middle of it. Now in these corners I am going to make small green color flowers. Now again I am making another circle around the smaller one and making some design inside it. Make these lines all over the circle. After making these simple lines, I am going to make small triangles inside it and filling it with white paint. So my center part is ready now. I have to make some design in next circle. So here I am taking the help of a chalk and making some design like this. So it is going to look like this, and now I am applying paint over it. Now I am done with the outlining. Now I am making a flower at the end of this design. Making petals of the flower, and here I am giving some shading effect to it. After making flower in each corner, the design will look like this. Now here I am drawing a line inside this design. It is looking pretty good, but still it is not completed. Now here I am going to make a chain of semicircle and going to repeat the same design in alternative manner. And similarly I am going to make this design in the remaining part as well. Now it's time to fill the remaining part. So I'm going to put some simple design here. I'm making a green vine around it. After completing one vine, I will draw another line like this. I am also done with double line. But now for making it little bit shiny, I will do yellow color between these two lines. See how beautiful it is looking after applying yellow color. Now I'm going to make leaves around it. Here I have mixed dark green paint and white paint together for making the light shade. My leaves are done, so I'm outlining the leaves with dark green color. After completing this pattern, I am making a circle of yellow color for maintaining the contrast. And to give a final touch to it, as I said earlier, this design will be incomplete without the dot. So I am putting some dots here. And now you can have a look at how beautiful it is looking after putting dots. And here you can see that I have also colored some of my other things by the apron design. And if you like this video, then press the like button and subscribe to my channel. And yes, hit the bell icon so that you can get notified for my next video. Thank you for watching.